Hey, what's up guys? Mario here. So I just got the Series 11 Dynamic XL and I gotta say that the quality of this case seems really good. It's very similar to the other case except that this one has a few aluminum panels. The other thing is that this one is a little taller by probably this much and a little wider this way and this way. But I'm not gonna be doing an unboxing of this case or review about it, because other YouTube channels have already done that. I'm not gonna be building the latest or greatest from Intel or AMD or Nvidia, because I don't really get free stuff, or this channel is not really a sponsored channel. So I'm just gonna build a new system with what I actually have. What I'm gonna be doing is putting most of the components from this computer into this case. Once I do that, I'm gonna try to figure out how much space the radiators take on top and bottom. Maybe figure out if some of my other reservoirs work on this case. So that's the plan, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is as much as I can do today. I finished mounting most of the parts from the other computer into this case. I also added thicker radiators at the bottom and top, just for me to figure out maybe possible worst case scenarios. I started to notice a few things about this case. If I put a much thicker radiator at the top, it actually starts to get in the way of the motherboard plugs. At the bottom, it can handle much thicker radiators. These are 45 millimeters thick, but let's say someone wants to do the bottom push-pull configuration. This is where things start to get a little tricky for me, because I gotta figure out to put the ports no lower than this. If not, it will get in the way of the reservoir, and then you cannot use a 360, maybe only a 240. And so this is things I gotta look for. Here's an idea with a dynamic uno. Here is the drain port, and if I make this part of the reservoir to go down all the way at the bottom, it will actually get in the way. So most likely I might have to end up making the reservoirs just like this one, but with a longer plate, and the reservoir up to here, because of maybe problems with 360 radiators at the bottom. Here on the side I have the Series 11 360 that I sell, and this one works exactly the same as in the other case. The main output to the bottom radiator, from the radiator to the GPU, back to the block. These two will go to the CPU, and these two will go to the top radiator. Here I'm gonna add a picture just to show you that the way I say how this is possible to do is not the only way. You can do different ways, and there is like endless possibilities, I guess. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.